Every year, millions step into the world's national parks, seeking beauty.
Yet beneath these awe-inspiring landscapes lies a sobering reality. People vanish here without leaving a trace.
These are not crime scenes or deliberate escapes, but sudden, complete disappearances into the wild. When an individual goes missing in a national park, massive search operations are immediately deployed. Modern technology, heat-seeking sensors, trained tracking hounds, and hundreds of personnel sweep the terrain.
And yet, despite exhaustive grid searches, some missing hikers are never found. How can this happen?
To understand this mystery, search and rescue scientists examine the physical reality of natural landscapes. Wilderness environments are vast, three-dimensional spaces, filled with structural traps, invisible from above.
Dense tree canopies act as physical shields, blocking aerial vision and thermal imaging infrared cameras. A person standing under thick hemlock or cedar can remain completely hidden from a passing helicopter. Acoustic masking is another powerful factor. Nature creates sound barriers that swallow human cries. The ambient noise of rushing water, or howling wind easily drowns out shouts for help from just yards away.
In geology, certain landscapes possess subterranean hazards, known as karst topography. Limestone terrain features hidden sinkholes, deep fissures, and vertical drop-offs obscured by vegetation. A single step off an established trail can result in a fall into an unmapped cave system. Beyond geology, human psychology plays a critical role. When someone loses their orientation,
When disoriented, the human brain suffers cognitive map failure, triggering instinctual panic.
panic causes lost individuals to travel faster and further away from search vectors rather than staying put. This behavior pushes lost hikers far beyond calculated search boundaries within the first 24 hours. Weather in wilderness regions can alter dramatically in minutes, erasing tracks and disabling air support.
As temperatures plunge, hypothermia sets in, drastically altering human brain function. In advanced hypothermia, victims experience paradoxical undressing and terminal burrowing behavior. Distorted neural impulses make individuals feel burning heat, prompting them to shed protective clothing. Driven by primitive survival instincts, they then crawl into tight, concealed spaces, like fallen hollow logs.
This terminal burrowing hides the individual so effectively that search teams can pass feet away without seeing them. Water is another profound natural force, responsible for permanent disappearances in national parks. Swift mountain rivers contain hydraulic strainers. These are submerged fallen trees and rock ledges.
Objects swept into these underwater traps remain pinned. Relentless water pressure keeps them down, making them invisible from the shore.
Search and rescue science continues to evolve, utilizing predictive behavioral statistics to map lost person decisions. Data shows that children, elderly hikers, and solo backpackers exhibit distinctly different navigation choices. Drones equipped with advanced LiDAR laser sensors can now map forest floors beneath dense tree foliage. These technological breakthroughs are uncovering answers in cold cases decades after the original search ended. Yet despite all human ingenuity, nature's scale remains vast and fundamentally untamed. Wilderness is neither hostile nor friendly. It is simply immense, neutral, and bound by natural laws. Every leaf, rock, river, and snowdrift continuously reshapes the landscape, absorbing traces of the past.
For those who explore these grand spaces, preparation, humility, and deep respect for nature are vital.
The mysteries of disappearances remind us of the fragile line between civilized safety and true wilderness. As long as wild places endure, they will hold secrets, forever demanding our awe and respect.